Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to edit your background color on TradingView. So the first step is to open your TradingView chart and then just click right here by the top right. You'd see the gear icon that stands for settings. So once you click on settings, you have these options. So just click on the appearance. So right here under the appearance, you can see the background, and this is where you'll be able to edit your background color. So the current background color is perfect because it's not white. White is really bad for the eyes, so I don't recommend anybody using white color. So you just choose something that's off-white or gray or any other color you prefer. However, to change your background color, just click on the color, and once you're done, then just click on OK, and then that's how to change the background color on TradingView. And I hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in